I'm going to be very aware and very careful to make certain that my clients get the same information and whatever they need for their career from the shorter course. I don't know. We're going to find out. I'm experimenting. This is what I tell my clients to do. When chaos hits, get creative. The first step is looking inward. That is to discover and outline your glass balls, what's really important to you. The second step is looking outward. It's taking what you have found from looking inward to research and say, what is the fit out there? What's the match to me? And then you put those two together, the inward and the outward, and you say, this is forward. This is my future. This is where I am going. And then once you know that, you've done enough research to say, this is the action. These are the actions that I have to take to get there. Changing careers, refocusing your career is not a quick process. It is a process. I'm experimenting to see if I can provide the process in a different system. But it is a process. You start and you go through different stages. And it's not quick and it's not fast. Most of my clients are very bright people, well educated, and many of them have had very successful careers. If it were going to be easy to fix their career, to re-career and get it back together, they would have already done it. There are 4 questions that almost every time I meet one of my clients, I ask them. The first question is, what is a need that I see out there? Somebody ought to do this. The second question is, do I have the skills to meet that need, or can I get them? The third question is, would I value doing that? Would I feel like it would give me purpose? And the last question is, can I make any money? The key thing that I do is to help people identify what I've labeled their glass balls. Those are their success criteria. They go through the process of looking at themselves carefully, bringing their background and then up to date. Then they say, these are the things that I absolutely have to feel successful. Everybody takes the assessments. Even in the shorter program, they all take the same basic assessments. Some people call them tests. They're well researched. There's some I've developed, but they're also nationally researched career tools. I call them tools because they're going to help us with our career. They're not going to fix our career. They give us tendencies. They give us things that we need to know about ourselves. My absolute goal, the thing that keeps me young and moving and will keep me at my work for the next 20 years. I'm going to be a centenarian, incidentally. That's my plan. You must have a purpose that you want to pursue with a passion as long as you live. Coming up with a purpose that you can pursue with passion is not something that happens overnight. You had better have a sharp crap detector, because we have a lot of crap that we have to ford off to get to our purpose that we can pursue with a passion.